I'm saying let's go. You're saying maybe. Let's find a disco. Hey, baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready.
Hello, my people. Hello, everyone. Hi, today is June the 5th, 2021. My name is Frank Castle. Much blessings. Salute. For the drinkers, I will give you some tips how to make a great drink at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the tester side. Welcome to the tester side, fellas. Today we're gonna talk about live streaming, free music, different platform. I will let Phoenix Phoners to continue with that. Okay, so go ahead.
This is Phoenix Funnels, once again from the tester site. No BS. With the real site for content creators, streamers, entrepreneurs, gamers, all around the globe. So this could be a great news for some people. Many blessings to all. And going straight to the point. This is OneStream. Live stream can arrange your pre-recorded videos and stream them to social media, such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, etc., without installing any software. Go to OneStream to start. Connect to the social media accounts you want in real time, such as Facebook pages or Facebook groups. Take the YouTube or Twitch channel used for streaming as an example. Let's connect the Facebook page from the sidebar to OneStream. Go to the account area at the bottom, click the Facebook page button. You are an administrator or have the right to edit all pages. Select page or desired page, connect, and click the button to connect to the stream. The connected social network accounts are displayed in the sidebar below the account. You can now upload videos and schedule video downloads. At the top, click the button for the new stream. Click the Download All Records button, then select a video from the device. Click the download file to add it to the stream. Set the title, description, and tags. Set the date and time. Select one or more social media accounts, and click You in the calendar. If you do not program or configure the date you want, the video will start automatically begin after 1 minute. A list of scheduled programs will be displayed, and the live signal will be displayed below the video thumbnail. When the program is ready for live broadcast, it means that the video is being broadcast, nothing more. The rest will be handled by the program. How easy that sound? Good. And talking about sound, is the time for free music. I know how hard it is sometimes to get the music you like without have any copyrights issues. Right. Struggle with music licensing for video, film or YouTube. Our library is of the highest quality, usable on all social platforms and royalty-free forever. Well, this is Epidemic Sound. Free royalty music for all content creators is a subscription-based music platform with a huge library of royalty-free music and sound effects. For content creators looking for high-quality royalty-free music without the hassle, it's a great resource. Epidemic Sound owns 100% of the legal rights to their music, meaning that it's copyright safe for you as a licensed user. Lets you know exactly what you need to play and when you want to play it without limits. Yes, you need a computer for this. So go to the main site with the link below this video and pause the video if you need to. Okay. I be here to show you around anytime you need it. Okay, as we go through this easy process. Now, when you log in, you will see some employee choices. Basically that's it. Epidemic Sound's staff is currently investigating this. There are some very good things here, so I always click on them. In fact, I always click on them immediately after logging just in case to take advantage of this good suggestions. When scrolling down the page there are some other options to manage everything, grouping everything according to what you want to use. Content creators certainly want to enter this, and if you scroll down here they will also release the latest album, which is also great, so you can publish these songs with your vlog and videos before a group of people use it. This is a really great option in order to stay up to date. You basically go to this homepage, then scroll down and view the content recommended by the staff, and then down view the latest news they posted. After entering epidemic sound and clicking the browse option, you will see many different sorting options here and different ways to find music here, so you can browse by genre, browse by mood, sports, whatever you like. For example, are you into horror, action, cinematographic or changing the rhythm, or marching or running, depending on what type of content you are going to promote. So, you said, okay, which of these actions fits the content I want to express in my video? Of course, you can do the same, whether it's energy or speed, and it depends on the purpose of your use of the video, and the most important is that you won't have any lost suit issues. Okay. So if you like this video, please support us only with sharing and subscribing to the channel, and comment also about anything that you will like to see on this channel. Do not hesitate, okay? Have a great rest of your day, whatever you are at this precious moment.
I'm saying let's go.
I left this one for the end because it's the one that is working for me. This is called StreamYard. I'm sorry, it's not 𝕊𝖆𝖊𝖆 that you can stream from your yard. Well, if you have the tools, you can do it from anywhere, really, even from your cell phone. So I left this bonus for the end because it's the best app, okay? So if you have issues for live streaming, this could be the best one for you, and this is because it's working for me. I'm in a third world country, so in the part that I'm living right now at this moment, even the internet is bad. So what is live streaming now in 2021? Live streaming technology lets you watch, create, and share videos in real time like a TV. It refers online in a various media platforms, simultaneously recording and broadcast in real time. It is often referred to as simply and streaming, but ambiguous because streaming may refer to any media delivered and played back simultaneously without requiring a completely download file. So this is only for your browser. It's live streaming studio in your browser. It permits you to create interactive and fascinating shows on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms. StreamYard make it easy to broadcast your show to different audience at the same time at once. Issues for live streaming, this could be the best one for you, is because it's working for me, and I've been having a lot of issues when I thought I was ready to work from home. Really, I am, but when I started streaming live, that's when I found out that I was not. It was a lot of issues, and I couldn't even do it. My computer was going off. So live streaming technology right now lets you watch, create, and share videos in real time. It's a little bit like TV. This is what I like. First of all, here you can share the full screen, and what I'm doing right now is just sharing myself, okay? Because I want you just to see how this works, okay? If you compare this to others platform, this is brand new. It's like brand new, but it's getting a lot of strong following because it's a good app. So whatever you look into live stream software for Facebook, LinkedIn Live, YouTube Live, and others, use this one. The link is below. And you know what? If you like the video, remember, use my links below. They are affiliated links, and I might get a little bit of points if you sign up with it. If not, you just go to StreamYard.com and you will be able to use it right away. It takes only a few minutes. If you're still here, I really appreciate your time. If you are at the end of this video, the music that you're listening in the background is from this platform right here. It's called Epidemic Sound. My link is also below so you can use it. And thank you so much for your time, okay? This is the bonus. This is the bonus, okay? This is whiskey. I won't say the name because they're not paying me for it. But, okay, This is almost peanuts and lemon. You can make your drink healthy. So thank you so much for your time. This was Frank Castle, ℕ𝖆𝑘𝖐 from the tester side. God bless you. And see you next time. We'll be doing live streaming every week and here on YouTube. Even on Saturdays, I will try to do it on Saturday because it's kind of hard to keep doing videos, but I know we have to keep doing videos because you have to enjoy the process. This was the tester side. Once again, if you like the video, share it with others, please. Subscribe, hit the bar, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can receive the latest videos from us. Have a blessed day once again. Bye bye.